If you're a man over 60, you've probably heard how nuts like almonds, pistachio, and walnut nuts can boost energy, improve vitality, and even help with bedroom performance. But what if you're allergic to nuts? Or maybe you just don't tolerate them well? The good news, you still have plenty of natural options that can give you similar and sometimes even better results. As we age, it's normal to notice dips in energy, slower recovery after activity, or changes in intimacy. But these signs don't mean your best years are behind you. They mean your body needs different support now, smarter fuel. And that fuel can come from nutrient-rich, nut-free foods that support hormones, energy, and circulation. Let's start with one of the best alternatives, pumpkin seeds, also called pepitas. These small seeds are packed with zinc and magnesium, two minerals that are crucial for men's health. Zinc helps your body produce testosterone and supports prostate health, while magnesium helps with stress, sleep, and muscle function. Just a tablespoon or two per day can make a real difference. You can sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or just snack on them raw. Next up, sunflower seeds. These are another excellent nut-free option. They're full of vitamin E, selenium, and B vitamins. Vitamin E helps with blood flow and protects your cells. Selenium supports hormone production and mood, and B vitamins help turn food into energy. If you're looking for something crunchy, satisfying, and energizing, sunflower seeds are a great option. Just be sure to go for unsalted or low-sodium varieties. Now, let's talk about something you may already love, avocados. These creamy fruits are packed with healthy fats, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin B6. They support heart health, circulation, and hormone balance. Magnesium helps you sleep better and feel less anxious. Vitamin B6 helps with mood and libido. You can eat avocado on toast, add it to salads, or blend it into a smoothie. Even half an avocado a day can improve your energy and mental clarity. Another powerhouse you might not be eating yet, hemp seeds. These little seeds are amazing for men over 60. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein, and they're rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fats. They also offer a great dose of magnesium, zinc, and iron. Hemp seeds support your hormones, improve blood flow, and help you keep your strength. Add a spoonful or two to oatmeal, salads, or smoothies. Now, let's talk about tahini. This is a paste made from sesame seeds, and it's loaded with benefits. It's rich in calcium, zinc, and healthy fats. Tahini also contains natural compounds called lignans, which help balance hormones and support your liver. Many cultures have used sesame seeds for centuries to support strength and stamina. You can use tahini as a dip, drizzle it on veggies, or mix it into salad dressings. So, why are these nut-free options so important? Because they help solve the same problems that nuts do without the allergy risk. They fight inflammation, support hormones, improve circulation, and give your body the nutrients it needs to feel strong and focused. They're not quick fixes, but with consistent use, they can help rebuild your energy and confidence from the inside out. If you add just 1 or 2 of these foods into your daily routine, you'll start to feel the difference. You might wake up with more energy, you might feel more clear-headed, you might feel stronger, more steady, and more connected both to your body and to your partner. And that's what this is really about, not just living longer, but living better. Here are a few extra tips that can boost your results even more. First, stay hydrated. Water keeps your energy up and your circulation smooth. Second, try breathing exercises like belly breathing or box breathing. These help lower stress and support hormone balance. Third, get good sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality rest. Fourth, do some resistance training a few times a week. Even light weights or bodyweight exercises help maintain testosterone and muscle. Finally, stay emotionally connected to your partner, your passions, and your purpose. These all matter for your energy and well-being. Just because you can't eat nuts doesn't mean your health has to suffer. Your body still has potential, and it's never too late to tap into it. With pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, avocados, hemp seeds, and tahini, you got powerful tools at your fingertips. They're natural, they're effective, and they support the strength and clarity that every man deserves. So, here's your challenge. Pick one of these foods and start adding it to your day. Whether it's a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds in your breakfast or half an avocado with lunch, make it a habit. These small choices build over time into real transformation. Which of these will you try first? Drop a comment and let us know. And if you found this helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing. In the next video, we'll explore the top fruits that boost energy and performance for men over 60. And chances are you already have them in your kitchen. Remember, age is just a number, but energy, that's a choice. And every day, you have a chance to choose a healthier, stronger, more vibrant you. Thanks for watching and take care of.